look like...
Here we are 2 years later. And
Woo! We look so much shittier. Woo!
And, let's see. My hair... Well, we're on quarantine. That's why.
Okay, we'll blame it on that.
That's why. It's quarantine.
This is what happens when you have a cooking channel. You eat.
And wait. Look, when I look to the side now, I have a double chin. Before I didn't. I think I have like 9 necks.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's the deal. When we started YouTube and we started making a lot of YouTube videos, I bought like a 2 or 3 terabyte external hard drive. So I recently we were cleaning out stuff and stuff like that, and I found the hard drive, and I have some old gems. And this video is from 2018, early 2018.
Yeah.
And we didn't know how to do YouTube then, so it got like less than 100 views. It was whatever. Yeah. But it was a funny video.
It was hilarious. We just watched it again.
And so
it was cracking us
and
up.
so this is going to be what is this? What is this?
Oh.
Is this flowers in the... Obviously, we still don't know how to do YouTube. Okay. So... Anyways, we're gonna roll a video right now. It's about 9 minutes long. It was filmed in early 2018, but it's funny.
It's really
If you
funny.
guys want a little laugh today, if you're bored at home, give it a look. It's funny.
It's very
you could
funny.
see how stellar we looked then, and now we're just raging piles of dumpster juice.
Speak for yourself.
Not you, babe. You're a diamond. I'm just glorious.
You are so handsome. I love
Hey.
you. You're the best.
All right, boys and girls. Literally, let's get this video. Let's get it up to 300 views.
Let's get like 10,000 views, like some of our other videos, like our cruise video.
I don't think it's gonna get to 10,000 views.
Maybe
If
you guys take an old picture of me in a bathing suit and put that as our thumbnail, and then we'll get some views.
The MAGA bathing suit?
In the MAGA bathing suit, yeah.
All right, you guys,
Not now, though.
check out this video. Let's get it to 300 views. It's funny. It's just all in fun. We appreciate you all.
It's funny, since I can't work right now, especially.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Reminds me of the days I could work.
All right, here we go. Let's roll this old video. In this video, I'm going to be purchasing weird, cringy things for Babe on Fiverr. You're going to have to watch until the end of the video to see how it all comes out. Okay, so here's the backstory. Babe is out tonight on a ride-along, and if you don't know what a ride-along is, many of your local city or county sheriff's departments or police departments oftentimes will have a program that they will offer their community members who have a decently clean background an opportunity to ride along with an officer for a number of hours to see exactly what police officers and deputy sheriffs do on a daily basis on patrol. So Babe took the opportunity to go on a ride along tonight, so it's just me at home and the little guy. And so since we're bored, I decided that we're gonna make a video. So since Babe is taking the opportunity to learn about my job, I figured that I am going to take the opportunity to log on to Fiverr, and I'm gonna purchase a couple things that maybe will enhance Babe's business as a hairdresser. That's what I'm thinking. I tried to explain to her what Fiverr was the other day. She had no idea and wasn't interested. And at the end of the video, we're gonna make a compilation of all the different things that I bought for Babe, and then I'm gonna show it to her, and you're gonna be able to see her reaction. So I started today, before I started the camera, I started goofing off on here, and I found a couple things that may be interesting. Okay, so I feel like the first thing that Babe needs to really enhance her hairdressing business is a good rap song, because you're nothing without a good rap song. So let's see what we can find here. So I found this guy right here. I will record a rap verse or hip hop vocals for you. Let's see what he has to say.
Exclusively on Fiverr, I produce and I spit fire, reducing prices from higher to prices that you can hire. With music that you desire, I'm in tune with every buyer. Let you review.
Okay, Babe needs a rap video or a rap song. Standard. Basic. We'll do the middle one. How about that? Seller needs the following information to start working on your order. Send instrumental and subject you want to rap about. Okay. Bam. Okay. What else can we find here? So there's a section on Fiverr called Fun and Lifestyle. Viral videos. What is this going to be about? I did see this the other day when I was snooping around on here. Check this out.
Order me for your next party, game, or just a skip.
Yeah, Yeah, we might have to buy that for Babe too. Because who doesn't need a scary clown talking about your hairdressing business? I agree. Babe's taking the time to learn about my job, so I really need to take the time to learn about her job and get her off with some good content to promote her little business. So, bam. Submit the info in the script. Good thing I already typed up a little something. Maybe something like, "Hello ladies, do you want to play a game?" I don't know, something like that. What else can I think?
Hey guys, I am so glad you came here. I will make you a fabulous.
Okay. You're getting that, babe. We will add a digital picture or logo, printed photo. I will hold it and kiss it. Oh boy, that might be worth $10. Kind of promotional thing that she could use on her shows. Sharing again, so I guess the video could talk about how good of a hair she does. I'll just send it. I'll just send it and see what Mr. Guy says. Okay, what else can we find for Babe?
Hi, Old Man Steve here. I can be a spokesperson for your company or your
What kind of company does Old Man Steve represent?
website, whatever, as Old Man Steve or just as an old man. I don't have to be Old Man Steve.
I don't have to be Steve. I could be John, or I could be Fred, or I could be Paul. Yeah, but that wouldn't really work because Babe only does hair on girls. Let's go back to this section again. What else can we find? All right, I had to take a little break, do a little bit more research. I had to get the little guy dinner. I had to stop and watch Cooking with CJ and Not Another Cooking Show. They were live, did a live video stream on YouTube, so shout out to them. Anyways, back to the screen, back to what I found. Two more things. You got to see this. All right, so check this out real quick.
Road Ranch here, baby. I'm a pissed off outlaw biker, and I want to make your video today.
He's a pissed off alcoholic biker. I feel like Babe would be attracted to that. Nah, I'm just joking.
Exclusively on Fiverr, yeah.
Yeah, brother, yeah.
Whether it's a product or website advertisement, maybe you need a punk out, an event announcement, anything you need, brother, Road Ranch has got you covered.
I feel like in the marketing world, Babe cutting high-end haircuts on girls and women and stuff like that, and Road Rash, I feel like that would be just epic marketing. So Road Rash, you're hired. Let's see here. We're just gonna go to continue right here. And then what's included? It doesn't say what's included. So we'll just, let's see here. Add an extra, oh yeah, we'll do that. All these things that I've ordered today, I'm giving them full creative control. I'm just shooting it and seeing what sticks. So let's see here, type your message here. Let me see if it's still copied in there. There we go. So we'll click off that. Boom, now check this out. Check this out.
I will make Donald Trump say anything you want.
There's just so many endless possibilities of what we could do. I'm just gonna give this guy full creative, oh, he only has 3 reviews, oh. Canceled order, seller failed, canceled order. Oh, I can't use you, you're terrible. Let's see what else we can buy for Babe. What is this? What is this?
Happy birthday to you.
Addressing them by name.
Happy birthday.
Oh, it's just birthday. It's just birthday. We don't want that. We might go with the puppet.
Hola. My name is Phoenix, but you can call me anything you want. I can do greetings, birthday messages, testimonials.
All right, that's what we're buying for Babe. So we bought Babe 4 things today. And we're gonna wait a couple days for those 4. I'm not gonna tell her. We're gonna wait 4 days for these 4 little packages that I ordered to come in, and then we'll put together something, and then we'll play it for Babe, and I'll get her reaction, and that'll be the video. See you in a couple days.
One eternity later.
Okay, Babe. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Fine.
So remember when you went on a ride along and you were learning about my job?
Mm-hmm.
I went on the internet and I bought some stuff for you to help you with your job.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I bought you some stuff that you could use to advertise your business.
Oh, you did?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
She honestly has no idea what I'm talking about.
I have no idea.
So there's a website called Fiverr that I was telling you about before that you don't actually know what it is. But you could buy different things. Logos, videos, all kinds of different stuff.
Yeah.
So I bought you a couple things so that you could take them and I'll send them to you and then you could post them on your social media and run advertisements with them.
Okay.
Because I want to get you more customers and
Okay.
expand your knowledge. Are you ready to live?
I guess so.
Okay. I'm sweating. I'm so nervous. About if you're going to like my love present to you. Okay. Here we go.
Okay.
Okay?
So this is advertisements for my work.
Yeah.
Babe. What on earth is that thing?
It's an advertisement. Are you ready?
Wait, where did you find these?
On the internet.
How did you pick is it all people?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
It's all people.
Yeah.
How did you choose them?
I wanted to buy the ones that would get you the most customers.
Oh, babe. Oh my goodness gracious.
Okay, you ready?
No.
If you don't want your hair damaged, fried, cut up, or burned, then you need to go to see Mrs. Bethany Hill. Bethany is one of the best hairdressers in Santa Clarita. She's just so damn good.
I am bright red. I can
We can
feel
put it on your Instagram.
Babe.
No?
Oh my gosh. What is that? He was wearing a police hat.
Yeah, because you're law enforcement friendly.
Babe, oh my gosh.
That didn't do it for you?
Oh babe, I'm so embarrassed. Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
let's find something else. Maybe that didn't appeal to the right type of customer for you then, since you only do ladies' hair. So this will be something different.
Babe.
Okay, this is a different type of ad. Okay.
Hello, my name is Juan Pablo. I'm here to tell you that if you are a beautiful lady who lives in the Santa Clarita Valley, you need to come and visit Miss Bethany Hill at Priscilla Salon in Granary Square. Bethany is my friend and I know her. And if you are a sexy Latina, you need to visit her for all your haircuts, hair colors, extensions, and beauty needs. She's muy buena when it comes to doing your hair. Find Bethany on Instagram at Miss Bethany Hill. She's the best in Santa Clarita and can do anything you want.
Babe, these are so weird. Babe.
That's gonna get you so many customers.
This is so weird.
But the next one's not a video.
What is the next one?
It's a song. Oh, the chicken's done. It's a song. So let's just take a minute and listen to. Let's just listen to the song. See, it's a nice slow jam. Yeah, this is good. This is a good beat.
Her name's Miss Bethany Hill, and yes, y'all should bless her, cause for real, she the best hairdresser. Nice and proud, and she grinds for cheddar. Best price around, bet you never find better. But what can measure up or even do it right? She professional, classy, heavy looking, fly. Fly as can be, work high quality, she'll do you do, and put your mind at ease, please. She'll make you look like gold, baby. The best weaves if your hair straight or so wavy.
Yeah, the best weaves, baby.
Lazy and so crazy. Dudes for young ladies and old ladies, never flaky. She's so great with her skills. Hand steady, not shaky. Now she's still the greatest hairdresser who's definitely skilled. If your hair a mess, then call Miss Bethany Hill.
Yeah, if your hair a mess. If your hair a mess, babe. Yeah. Well, there's a version. Oh, I'm sweating. I'm so nervous about all this fun gifts that I buy you.
Babe.
You want to hear the second verse?
The greatest hairdresser who's definitely skilled. If your hair a mess, they call Miss Bethany Hill.
Yeah, babe, that's the chorus.
Babe, oh my god.
No, that's not what you're into. Okay.
Oh, babe, I love you. Thank you.
Oh no, there's more.
Are there?
Oh yeah, there's more. This is definitely good. I feel like if those didn't work to entice people, that we need to step up our game a little bit, babe.
so scary.
Hello, ladies. I want to play a game.
That is creepy.
If you don't want your hair damaged, fried, cut up, or permed, then you need to go see Miss Bethany Hill.
No, that is not
Bethany
fun.
is one of the best hairdressers in Santa Clarita. Now, you have 24 hours to get your appointment. If not, you will see me again.
Oh, that.
How about that, babe?
That'd be good for Halloween.
I feel like that will really get people's attention. I feel like the ladies will really want to make an appointment with you.
Yeah, they'll really like that. Babe, that's a good one for Halloween. We can use that at Halloween. Oh, boy. Oh, babe.
Hello, ladies. I can't believe you're not using Bethany Hill to get your hair done. If you don't want your hair damaged, fried, cut up, or permed, then you need to go see Miss Bethany Hill. Yeah, Bethany is one of the best hairdressers in Santa Clarita. So make your next choice your best choice and go see Bethany Hill. Do it now.
Yeah,
babe.
How about that?
These are so weird.
Can we post them on your Instagram right now? And we'll just pretend like nothing.
Babe, this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
That's my present.
Oh, I love you. I think that you should actually come do hair with me like sit there the entire day. Yeah. I think that would be a great challenge if you came and sat with me for an entire day and you were my assistant. What do you think? Huh?
Yeah.
And then you'd see why I don't text you back for an hour and a half at a time.
Yeah, we'll get right
on
babe,
that. Thank you.
Anyways, that was a long video in the making. So we're back and we're ending and that's it. Thank you. Leave a little like. Yeah. Tell us which one you thought was the best and then we'll put it on our Instagram.
Oh, that was funny.
I'll hijack her Instagram and I'll just put it on there and I'll be like, what up, lady? How about the guy in the bow tie and the police hat?
I think he was my favorite.
Yeah?
I think so.
Yeah?
I mean, the rap was really good.
We're gonna do. I don't
know. The guy from
we're gonna talk to Adam. Maybe we can take a bunch of pictures and make a music video.
What's the movie that creepy one was from? What's that?
Saw.
Yeah, I love that movie. And I don't like scary movies, and I loved those movies.
Okay, that's it. Like and subscribe. We're done.
Boy.
We're out. See you guys.